everything changes.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Go-To Hydroponics here in lovely Wisconsin. Hopefully it isn't too windy with the mic and all this wind blowing around. Try and make it minimal. Anyways, this is what Wisconsin looks like currently in February. There's snow and ice behind me. And yes, it's like 35 degrees out or whatever, and I am in a t-shirt. But we'll be going back in the grow room where it's nice and warm and sunny, like it always is. I do want to apologize. I've been pretty busy with school and work and all that fun stuff. And also, as you see, I've also created a new intro and a logo for the Go-To Hydroponics, and hopefully you guys like it. Comment, let me know what you guys think of that. I'm kind of curious because I wanted a more modern, a more professional theme to kind of show and prove that, like, hey, I actually care what things matter. As you would have seen my videos last year on my grow system, they're nice, clean, professionally looking. This year I plan to do the same with all my videos, make them a little more professional and better quality. So let's go in the grow room where it's nice and warm. Coming back to you guys where it's nice and warm and cozy in my lovely basement. So another reason I didn't give you guys any videos is because really nothing has changed around here. I've been so busy with school and crap, I haven't had time to actually do any hydroponic stuff. But don't get me wrong, I still have plants growing, and actually that's why I'm making this video, because I do want to start plants and get them growing for the summertime. And by the way, guys, I did not give up on you guys, so I hope you guys don't give up on me. It just, you know, everything's got to come sooner or later, so yeah. So, as you see, I have a T5 here and my LED hanging here because this is storage. I'm moving a bunch of stuff around. So, that's just going to stay there for now. I'm not using it. I have my T5s here and a bunch of house plants. Well, house and outdoor plants. So, let's get you guys zoomed in. Okay, so now you guys are kind of zoomed in my little plant grow here. So, basically, I mean, this is kind of the same thing. I've changed some plants around just so they get some fresh sunlight. So basically I still have my geraniums, which I just pruned the crap out of because those things have been growing like crazy. Getting flowers off them, getting a ton of leaves, so I had to clean those up a bunch. So I got a pot of geraniums, which has like 5 or 6 geraniums in each. 5 or 6 geraniums in each of them. Another pot, which again has the 5 or 6. We had another pot here which has daisies and a few geranium plants. We have some type of lily plant or something that was upstairs, wasn't doing so hot. And I was like, hey, I'll throw it in my grow light and see what it does. So it looks like it's been doing a lot better. Let's look at my huge array. Of spider plants here. There's like freaking 20 of them in here, 25 of them. There's a lot. They just keep growing. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with those. Another addition, though, I did get to my... okay... another addition I get that I don't think you guys know is a fern. So every time I went to local compost and there was a fern laying there. And it was like, you know, it had all the root mass and everything. It didn't look really dry. It actually looked like somebody just took it out of the pot and threw it away. And I was like, okay, so my mom picked it up, gave it to me, and I was like, sure, I'll bring it home. So currently, that's what I have. The thing was really big. It was super green. I put it on my lights. It was growing a lot. And then all of a sudden, it got really dry because winter hit here. And it was like, you know, 0 degrees, so that means, what does that mean? It dries your house out a lot, which, of course, ferns don't like that. They like a moist air or humid air. So, that kind of beat the crap out of us. And then I had it under my LED, which was kind of frying it because it was a little too strong, so now I'm just kind of leaving it sitting. And I pruned off a bunch of dead stuff, so it looks kind of like garbage. But it will grow back. I do believe in it. And I do want it. It's kind of a cool plant. Here, I'll show you guys. So there it is, right here. No, it's a pretty big plant. I mean, it had to go in this freaking huge, like, 16-inch pot because it came in like a 12-inch one, and that wasn't big enough with all the roots it had. So, I mean, we are starting to get new growth. Like, there's some new pieces in here. It's looking pretty green. It does look kind of crappy, but it will fill out more in summertime. So, yeah. Yeah, so then I'm moving a whole bunch of stuff around over there, which I will take you guys over there soon. There's a whole, yeah, all the stuff's getting moved around, so it's kind of messy, but whatever. Gotta start from somewhere, right? Yeah, and lately, to get in the growing mood, I've been, I started watching some more YouTube videos just on, like, people growing stuff and hydroponic-wise, and it was like, hey, I want to get back into this again. That's my motivation, by the way. Watching these videos, and then after sooner or later, you're like, oh my god, I can do this. This isn't that hard. And jump right into it. Boom. Output. This is what you get out of it. So, let's go over here and see what I got going on. So, as you can see, we have bins and crap everywhere. These are bins with all my hydroponic stuff in it. That's a bunch of tools I have and whatnot. Here is that big old shelving unit I got a while ago. I cleaned that, put another shelf on it, put a light, my other light up here. And then I just have, again, some house plants, a viney house plant, and some like lily or something like that. Another spider plant. So let's want to start some seedlings up. We got my cloner over there. We got all hydroponic stuff from outside, the tubing, the pumps, seeds, trays. So we organize all this stuff. And then we put it back together. As you see here, we have some seedlings. We got jalapenos, habaneros, and chili peppers. So I'll try some more spice things. I might do like jalapenos hydroponically or something. I'm not completely sure yet. For sure, tomatoes again. I will be using a different fertilizer though. I know one of my fellow followers said something about using, actually I think a few of you guys said something about using Master Blend nutrients. So I looked into that, and actually it seems pretty cost effective for you get out of it. So I think I'm going to try that this year. Seems really great. I got to do a little more digging into it, but I think that'll be my nutrient of the year, because otherwise the other ones get super expensive. You got to use so much of it, and it's such a pain in the butt. So I think we'll do that. The other thing is, I do want to know what you guys think about that logo and video intro. So I'm kind of curious. Let me know what you guys think. Over and out. I'll be back with a seed starting 101.